Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my YouTube videos and vlogs. You guys are the best, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And today I'm going to start my day with a workout, and yes guys, it's gonna be a fun day hopefully. But yes, let's go ahead and start our day right by exercising. So guys, मैले भर्खरै मेरो exercise भए and that was good. I didn't went ham, you know, I was like chill kind of workout and I really like it. And I have burned almost 200 calories, 182 calories to be exact, and I'm really happy with it. Now I'm just gonna relax for a while and eat something. Breakfast is ready. Yum! Just finished my brekkie and that was yum. Also watching Rem Life, and she's the best. I just enjoy watching her vlogs and she's so lovely and bubbly. So guys, I just got ready. I took my shower, also did a face mask, and I'm feeling so good. For my look today, I just applied shimmery eyeshadow in my eyes and pink lipstick. This is Candy K. I also blow dried my hair. I'm just loving today's look. It is really simple. It is very fresh looking, girly, and perfect for spring and summer. So yes guys, really happy with my makeup today. Thumbs up to myself. Look at this guys, what I made today. I made rice Taco Bell. By the way, the lighting today is really horrible. I don't know why, but yeah, this is what I made today and it looks so delicious. I'm gonna do a mukbang video for you guys. Let's go ahead and eat this. By the way, I have filmed a recipe for this, so definitely go ahead and check that recipe out. It is super easy to make and super healthy as well, so definitely give it a try guys. I will add the link of this recipe in the description bar below for you all. So this is the Taco Bell from up close guys. It looks so yummy. I just can't wait to eat this. My mouth is already watering. After finishing my meal, I'm gonna eat this later, and these are heart-shaped marshmallows. Looks really delicious and I can't wait to eat this. Okay, let's go ahead and start eating. First bite. So good. You guys should definitely try this recipe. I'm not kidding guys, it's so delicious. यसमा चाहिँ मैले धेरै कुराहरु हालेको छु. यो चाहिँ lots of vegetable हालेर बनाएको मैले. It is super healthy. No joke guys. I really wish you guys could taste this through the camera. यो चाहिँ नेपाली फुड चाहिँ होइन हैन. I think taco is Spanish food. I could be wrong. but I love taco, burrito, one of my favorite. This is so refreshing. यसमा चाहिँ cucumber छ, sweet corn छ, tomato, rice, and lots of other good ingredients. Oops, I dropped it. What is your favorite food, guys? Apart from Nepali food. If you ask any Nepali what is your favorite food, then it's gonna be either momo or chow mein. I know it is very typical, but if you haven't tried momo and chow mein, you can't judge Nepali people for liking that, because it is really delicious. Last bite. I was really hungry, guys, and I really enjoyed it. Thumbs up. Definitely check out the recipe for this taco rice ball. Now it's time to eat my marshmallows. Whoops. This marshmallow is not too sweet. It's just right. I don't know how to explain this, but it is good, you know. I'm gonna eat 3 at a time. That was so good. Thank you so much for watching my mukbang videos, and stay tuned for more. Just finished eating my taco ball and that was delicious. And one more thing, guys, lot of you guys are complaining that I'm not showing my face. I started doing these mukbang videos cause you guys requested it, and to be honest, guys, I am enjoying doing these videos and I don't feel very comfortable showing my face while doing the mukbang videos. And I think there is no right or wrong way of making mukbang videos, to be honest. As long as you are showing your food and you're talking with your audience, that's about it. But I'm reading your comments and I will be, you know, doing a mukbang video very soon showing my face. So until then, watch some other videos, guys. There are so many videos on my channel. Watch comedy videos or, you know, my cooking tutorials. And yeah, guys, I'm so sorry, but you guys are the best. I hope you guys will understand. And yeah, that's about it. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It is so beautiful today and it's super warm and the snow is still here. I just love it when it's snowing and it's sunny as well. So yeah, it is kind of windy, I wouldn't lie, but yeah, it is still good for me. Let's go ahead and check the snow out. Look at the snow, guys. हल्का पिग्लिसकेको छ तर still छ. Love it. Snow, I don't know why, I just love snow, guys. Snow is my thing, you know. Love it. update time. I want to give you an update about this shampoo which I got recently from the mall. यो चाहिँ shampoo with argan oil हो, Poundland बाट लिएको. यसको टेक्सचर चाहिँ के भन्ने हुन्छ नि, कस्तो क्लियर टाइप को छ हैन, बडी शावरहरु हुन्छ नि हो त्यस्तो टाइप को छ. अनि नुहाउँदाखेरि पनि यसको चाहिँ गाजै निस्किएन. टु बी ऑनेस्ट मैले यो लगाएको थिए सुरुमा अनि त्यसपछि I wasn't happy with the shampoo, so I applied my regular shampoo and I rate this 1 out of 10. To be honest, it's not worth buying. It's not soapy enough. I just don't like it. Don't buy this, guys. Not worth it. Look at this, guys. My laundry is finally dry, but I need to fold this and I'm feeling so lazy already, but I have to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold this. So guys, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching my videos and vlogs. You guys, wow, you can hear so much echo. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog from living room. It's so much better here. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.